It seems obvious that we should automate away most of the straightforward repetitive incidents that plague us during on-call and even more importantly, plague our customers with downtime. So why don't we do it? I mean, after all, 48% of the incidents as measured in the recent survey are straightforward and repetitive. You could take the number of incidents down by nearly half just fixing those things. So sometimes I get pushback from people saying, well, automation is risky. And, what if the automation runs amok and worsens the outage, broadens the impact of the mistake, etc.? And that's a real issue. I mean, sometimes in the large scale events you hear from, like hyperscalers, there is a cascading set of failures, one of which is an automation that had an error in it. Why do they automate? So the fact is that human error causes major incidents 5 times more frequently than automation. And you know what? You can fix code. You can't really fix human beings. There's just a natural, roughly 1% error rate. That's why we do code reviews. That's why we do testing. It's because even if we're super experienced, we make mistakes during coding. It's even harder when we're on call and the pressure's on. And so that's the reason why automation is still worthwhile. Now, how do you make it less risky? I mean, the way I view that is that everyone has expertise on how to fix an individual machine. What you want is tools that help you orchestrate that have things like circuit breakers that limit the number of times the automation runs, that have capabilities to deal with partial failures because, really the reason you're running something is because part of your environment's broken, and on and on and on. So basically, production ops is a distributed systems problem. What you want is a tool that helps you orchestrate and understands all of the complexities of distributed systems so you can focus on automating just the individual thing that happens on the individual box.